Kate here with AV Designs, and I'm going to show you how to calibrate your Cricut today. You want to open your design space and click the drop-down menu on the left and press Calibration. This is going to bring up a menu for you, and you're going to press Print then Cut. And then you're going to select your printer from your drop-down menu and press Print. Once it's finished, you're going to look at your mat and you look at the small square in the middle of the larger square. After it's done cutting, you want to check the smaller square in the middle to make sure that the Cricut cut inside the lines or at least touching the lines. After this, you want to go back to your computer or iPad, and it's going to ask you if the cut line touched the printed line the whole way around. For mine it did, so I went and selected yes, and then press continue. Now the machine is going to start cutting the lines at the top and on the side, the letters and the numbers. Once the machine's done cutting, you want to check the top of the numbers and find out which cut lands closest to the middle of the line. You're going to look on both sides. So for me, it was 11 on top and K on bottom. Then you're going to enter it into the computer, so the top once again was 11, like that, and the side on the right was K. And then press continue. It's going to start cutting the other square in the middle, and it should be cutting right on the square if your Cricut calibrated correctly. You want to check the larger square now and make sure the cut went the whole way around in the middle. Mine did. I went back to my computer. Are you happy with your cut? I pressed yes and pressed continue. If you're not, you press no and it takes you through the process again. Hopefully this helped you with your Cricut issues. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks so much.